issues which has been taken into consideration by the parliamentary committee. And thereafter, Lordship, now this application has been filed by one of the petitioner saying it ki now BMHRC should be merged with the AIMS. So Your Lordship should not be merged with the AIMS. So
both sides are
definitely we will not proceed for it. We will not proceed for it, Lordship. We will definitely not merge it with the AIMS.
Both sides are taking a contradictory stance to earlier stance.
It's petitioner's stand.
Sir, if I
Let them file a reply. Let them
Yes.
place the
No,
report.
so it's not going, it's a question of upgrading the status of BMHRC. Matter has been going on for 14 years. I mean, from 1998. So this is making mockery of, this is basic medical relief to be provided to gas victims. Even after 40 years, they are not eligible for proper medical. That is the meaning of justice. See, they are not providing, there is 1,200 crores lying unutilized. And they are unwilling to provide higher salaries to gas victims, to doctors, to get consultants, and they're not willing to appoint proper.
Mr. Jayaprakash, Mr. Jayaprakash,
Yeah.
there is an application filed for merger of two organizations.
No,
yeah, Your Honor, if I may,
Please read it.
yes, I am.
What is the application you have filed?
Yeah, it has come to our notice, draft cabinet note has been prepared to merge AIMS Bhopal with BMHRC. And in our application, we are saying that there are judicial orders, there are medical bases and administrative orders that would militate against the proposed
So
merger.
you want a merger or you don't?
No, sir. The reason, and no, sir, we do not want
One
them.
second, what is the stance of the state?
You'll also have to seek instruction. Otherwise, the status which has been up to this stage, Lordship, we will not merge it because earlier once, you'll also that petition application was filed to that extent that it should be merged.
Your Honor, I would greatly.
One second, please. On this application, 2074/2024, this is an application on behalf of petitioner number 2. What is the prayer? Seeking a direction to respondent number 5. Who is respondent 5?
ICMR.
ICMR, sir.
ICMR,
Indian Council for Medical Research.
to cancel the plan of merger between AIMS Bhopal and BMHRC. Current council you are appearing for?
Government of India also that ICMR and
Current council
BMHRC.
appearing for ICMRC submits that as per his instructions, there is no further plan there is no plan to merge AIMS Bhopal with BMHRC. He, however, prays for time to file a status report with regard to the same. In how much time? 1 week?
2 weeks also because it has to go
Let
to
the same be filed within 2 weeks. List on week commencing.
So please, have a fixed date. I'm coming from Delhi, can't get reservations.
In the week of in December, tell us what date.
So,
Any-
6 December.
So I'm sorry, it's not 6, sir. Any date after 6 December, please, sir. 7th?
7th, no, it will not be.
7th and
7
8th.
December. is fine.
7th is on Saturday,
I'm sorry, 9th?
9th December.
I have something else.
9th December. 9th December.
Hello, Lodge.
Thank you.
So there's one more issue. It's a question of computer assisted medical records. The orders from till today has not been done. And even now they're asking more time. Computer assisted medical records, it's a very critical issue.
The who has to digitize
The
it?
Union of India and the state government.
Respondent shall file an affidavit indicating the steps taken towards digitization of the medical records of the patients.
And also the new all medical research in 2018, especially set up for medical research on. And then after 2018, they have stopped all research. This is a very, it's a very critical issue.
So their mandate, they were only set up to do long-term research on Bhopal gas victims and their dependents. In 2018, they stopped doing all research.
Have they filed any report?
So
They
they
are
filed.
filing report, doing other research, which has nothing to do with
They
Bhopal.
have been
Into-
filing
One
quarterly
second,
report.
one second, please.
Yeah.
What was the direction?
Yes, the
Original direction was what?
Please see the order.
What date is the order?
9
9 to 9,
9 August 2020, sir.
yeah.
We don't have a 9th August order.
It's
The Supreme Court order, sir.
So,
So the order of para 35,
8.
huh?
8.
Para 35(8) states,
One second, let's have the order first.
Jaiprakash, sir. Thank you, sir.
35.7 and 35(8).
Where will we get it?
So it should be in your file and Supreme Court order 9th August 2012.
Can you read what?
Yes,
order-
it says, I'll read the exact para. We direct the ICMR as well as NIDE, which is National Institute for Research on Environmental Health, to ensure that the research work is carried out on with exactitude and expeditiousness, and further to ensure disbursement of its complete benefits to the gas victims. And number two, the government of India has already resolved to establish the NIDE to carry on the research work for which it has been provided due infrastructure. Thus, we see no reason why the research work should not progress at the requisite pace in all fields while providing benefits for proper care and treatment of patients in the various hospitals in
This is
Bhopal.
order dated?
9th August 2012.
Take down. The Union of India shall also file in their affidavit details about the stage, the research that was directed to be conducted in terms of order dated 9/8/2012 and the status thereof.
And also that for NIRE, and also for which my friend has been pointing out, also there's a separate council has been appearing for them. Mr.
Seek instructions, I'll file that application.
You're appearing for?
But the senior informs me that I
Nire.
appear for Nire.
What is the full name?
Vikram Jha.
No.
Nire.
National Institute for
National Institute for
Research on Environmental Health.
Research for Environmental Health.
Yes.
The Council of Appearing for so-and-so shall file an affidavit indicating as to what is the stage of the research that was directed to be carried out by the Supreme Court on 9/8/2012 and the status of the same.
Yeah, so, see, NIRE has submitted a report in April regarding this research. In that, there is the only ongoing research is on epidemiological survey, which started in 1886, with 1986, with a cohort of 95,000. And that cohort has now come down to 8,000. And there's no record of what happened to the 80,000 people. Whether they're dead, why that cohort is 80,000 people. It's a very serious issue.
And Your Honor, even the monitoring committee in its compliance report clearly said that there has not been requisite research has been carried out, and a committee should be set up to look into this. Because what we find that in the last 5 years, they have not done any research, and they have ignored, they had a very specific mandate to look into eye problems, neurological problems, gynecological issues, birth defects in the next generation. These were the specific mandates, and nothing really has happened in any of this.
That is why we've asked them to file a status report for that
All right.
report what has happened.
Thank you.
9th December.